low, low, mic checking, mic checking.
I'm in the class, don't worry. I'm trying to rectify the things. कुछ दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir. Yes,
O-
sir.
Okay. Okay. So school is going to hold its annual function in December. You want Mr. Shah, the mayor, to give away the prizes to the winners of the school. Draft a formal invitation or draft an invitation in about 50 words. So now, as the question suggests, you know this is a formal invitation. भले single individual के लिए है, but it is a formal invitation. And for this formal invitation, it will be in the form of formal letters. So keep this thing. You won't make a card to invite somebody to be the chief guest. एक आदमी के लिए कार्ड नहीं प्रिंट करोगे. This will be in the form of a letter, that is formal invitation letter. How the things will go? I'll show it to you. This will again be in a box. Before I get this question, it will be in a box. Now the way the formal letters are written, on the top, left hand side will be the sender's address. Sharma Public School, Jodhpur. Leave a line to make the things look distinct and clear. Leaving a line or not leaving a line is no rule. Again मैं उस चीज को repeat कर रहा हूँ. And I'll advise कि जिस तरह से spacing किए वैसे ही करो, अच्छा लगेगा. बाकी your wish. 5th of December he is sending the invitation. Leave a line. Receiver's details. So first is sender, then is the date, then is the receiver's details. Mr. B.M. Shah, Mayor House, Jodhpur. Now we don't know, it's not necessary that we know the addresses of everyone, but you know you're inviting the mayor, so make it official Mayor House. If you're inviting the CM, CM House. If you're inviting the PM, PM House. और बड़े को तो invite तब करना जब mention होगा. Suppose you have to invite Sachin Tendulkar, को sports event है, Sachin Tendulkar को बुला रहे हो, तो you can just put up Tendulkar mention, Tendulkar villa. It's not necessary कि हमको सबका एड्रेस पता होने चाहिए. Is it okay with everyone?
Yes, sir.
है ना? Make the things look realistic. जैसे few years back a question had come that you are inviting a noted hockey player Dhanraj Pillai. You might have heard this name. Dhanraj Pillai. उसको बुलाया था. This had come in the exam few years back. So it's not necessary that everybody knows his address. तो जैसे बताया तो बच्चों ने लिख दिया होगा पिल्लाई हाउस या पिल्लाई मेंशन या पिल्लाई विला. अपना आप बन जाता है एड्रेस. Suppose if you are inviting Virat Kohli, so you can just mention Sharma Villa. कर सकते हो ना?
नहीं सर.
नहीं कर सकते क्या?
अनुष्का विल्ला.
अनुष्का कर दिया, मैंने शर्मा बोला, क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
सर कोहली विला होगा.
जरूर थोड़ी कि कोहली विला हो गए. मैं खाली बता रहा हूँ आपको, मजाक कर रहा हूँ. थोड़ी कि सरनेम से होना चाहिए, किसके नाम पे भी कर सकते हैं ना, बट इट विल लुक रियलिस्टिक. यस, तो विराट आवे तो नो डाउट ऑफ विराट विला कर देना सबसे अच्छा है. एलिट्रेशन भी हो जाएगा. ठीक है?
जी सर.
ओके, कोहली विला. चलो. Now, leave a line, subject, invitation to be the chief guest. Sir, the running matter. In this, nothing called as third person, the way we write letters, उसी हिसाब से हम इसको लिखेंगे. Our school is celebrating its annual function on 24th December in the school auditorium from 4 p.m. onwards. You have to tell that chief guest or that guest जिसको हम बुला रहे हैं all the details, because being a busy person, that person will check whether at that particular time or date he is free or not. Accordingly, he'll give the reply in the school auditorium on 4 p.m. from 4 p.m. onwards. It would be an honor if you can grace this occasion as the chief guest and give the prizes to the winners. Last line important. It's not that you are invited and he has accepted. Kindly give your consent at the earliest and oblige. Leave a line. Yours faithfully. Yours faithfully, and please keep a check onto it. Y capital. No apostrophe S. Faithfully ka F or sincerely ka S or truly ka 2 will be small. This is the way you have to write in your letters also. Write the name, no signatures, and put up the designation and the principal. So this is the invitation to invite someone to be the chief guest for the school official function. And put up this in a separate page so everything comes on one page itself. Any questions on this? Don't be scared. गुस्सा खत्म हो गया. Yes. If the boiling point of my BP is high, then it's very volatile, है ना? मैं जल्दी ठीक हो जाता हूँ. Don't worry. Any questions? बोलो बच्चों, डरो मत. अरे, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Yes,
तो
sir.
कोई क्वेश्चंस नहीं, कोई डाउट्स नहीं.
सर अगर एक पेज
हाँ.
से ज्यादा हो रहा है तो क्या करें, मतलब
एक
बॉक्स
पेज
इनकम
की जरूरत, एक पेज से ज्यादा होने का मैटर ही नहीं. 50-60 वर्ड्स का लिमिट होगा तो पहली बात तो जाना ही नहीं चाहिए. इफ इट गोज देन इट शुड बी मिस्टेक फ्रॉम योर साइड. इफ यू स्टार्ट दिस ऑन द फ्रॉम द मिडिल ऑफ द पेज समवेयर, नो डाउट इट विल गो ऑन 2 पेज. बाकी इसमें 2 पेज में जाने की जगह ही कहाँ है? मैटर है ही कहाँ? दिस रनिंग मैटर विल टेक व्हाट 2 लाइंस 3 लाइंस. बॉक्स उस हिसाब से बनाओ ना. अगर आप इतना छोटा सा बॉक्स बना दोगे तो नो डाउट चला जाएगा. यूज 50-60-70% ऑफ द पेज, स्प्रेड इट आउट. कहाँ इतनी लाइंस है देखो. Whenever you write anything, just always, whenever you write anything, assume yourself to be in the shoes of the copy checkers. आप खुद सोचो कि अगर आप कॉपी चेक कर रहे हो और कोई बच्चा ऐसा लिखेगा कि आधा एक पेज पे आधा दूसरे पेज पे. प्लीज कौन है ये? संस्कार, साउंड फ्रॉम योर साइड. संस्कार प्लीज.
सॉरी सर, म्यूट को गया था.
नहीं ठीक है. ओके ओके एवरीवन. ठीक है. Now we'll proceed with the reply to this invitation. So this question is clear. Now we have invited Mr. Shah to be the chief guest. Now we'll focus on the reply. This is the question you can expect. Sharma Public School, Jodhpur is going to hold its annual function in December. Your mayor, your Mr. Shah, the mayor of the city. And again, one more thing. See the date on which we are sending the invitation. Yes, one more thing I'd like to discuss. It is in the month of December. So don't write today's date that you are inviting him in the month of April for the December function. Dates will always play an important role. And now, secondly, see the time margin from the date of inviting and the date of the event or the function. Give approximate 20, 25, 28 days का margin. Make the things look realistic. ऐसा नहीं कि 24th को function है, 22nd को inviting him. वो तो कब तो he'll give his approval and when to we'll print the cards and invite the guests and so on. So give some breathing space for yourself also to make the preparations. Hence this gap is there. Maybe 5th December is there. He may reply on the same date. He may take 1 or 2 days and it may be possible that he is unable to attend. If he is unable to attend, it's not that you will cancel your program or the event. Then you will invite somebody else. So keep that breathing space for all of you. Is it okay? So dates will always play an important role. Now, Sharma Public School is going to hold its annual function in December. You are Mr. Shah, the mayor. You have been invited to be the chief guest. Send a reply informing about your presence in that function. That is, your acceptance, you will be able to attend that function. So again, I'll repeat, you don't have to make everything that first the invitation, then the replies. What is asked, you have to put up only that one. That too in a box. Acceptance. ये रहेगा. Now, sender's address, Mayor House, Jodhpur. Date of replying, चलो 5th December ही कर दिया है उसने. Same day is responding. and don't go with the earlier ones. Yes, in exam में तो हमको तो कोई भी date बनानी पड़ेगी. Then he is replying to the principal. The receiver is the principal. The designation is always preceded by the determiner the principal, the mayor, and so on. Sharma Public School, Jodhpur. Subject: acceptance of invitation to be the chief guest. Sir, thank you for inviting me to be the chief guest of the school's annual function celebration on 24th December in the school auditorium. Full stop. It would be a great pleasure to grace this occasion as the chief guest and give the prizes to the budding and talented winners of your school. Last important line: I confirm my presence for this occasion. Leave a line: yours faithfully, again Y capital, no apostrophe S, and faithfully F will be small. And the person who is replying is Mr. B.M. Shah, and he is the mayor. Put it up in the bracket. Now, one more thing, just keep a note on it, just keep a check. I have not put up any punctuation marks anywhere. That is mayor house के बाद comma, Jodhpur full stop, the principal comma, Sharma Public School comma, Jodhpur full stop, sir के बाद comma, and so on. Those things are outdated. Exam point of view, no punctuation marks will be allowed. And even if you're writing a paragraph, it should be from the left hand side only. In the earlier days, maybe if you just remember, you used to write, I'll just type something on the chat box. आप ऐसे लिखते थे, ये subject आ गया. Then you used to write subject, then sir, and then suppose this sir has been mentioned over here. Yes, हम कैसे लिखते थे? Just below the word R. We would start writing below the word R. हम ऐसे लिखा करते थे. Just try to type and show you. नहीं जा रहा है आगे. Yes. So please don't make that mistake. Unable to do over here. I'll have to put up on the text box. So we used to leave some space on the left hand side from the margin to distinguish it in the form of a paragraph. Yes or no? Yes. So now just remember, CBSE students, everything will be left alignment. Everything from the corner. Even though if you're changing paragraphs, it will be from the left hand side. Please keep a check on all the writing sections and even in your answers to the literature sections. So paragraphs are there, but paragraphing not allowed. Everything should be left aligned. I hope this is clear. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And so this is the way the answer will be given. So this is regarding the acceptance. Now, चलते हैं आगे. Now the same solution I put up in the other way. I'll discuss something about it, something important. One was he replied in the form of that letter, the earlier one. Now, this is the reply in the form of the one we did for that family function, D'Souza wala. No address, no date. Read this solution. Mr. B.M. Shah thanks the principal of Sharma Public School, Jodhpur, for inviting him to be the chief guest for the school's annual function on 24th December in school auditorium from 4 p.m. onwards. It would be an honor to grace this occasion as a chief guest and give the prizes to the winners. Full stop. He gives his consent for the same, or he confirms his consent for the same. Full stop. So you saw both these solutions? Yes, friends?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me one thing. This is also the answer for the formal. This is also a formal reply. This also is a formal reply. In this, I'll use the term letter form. This I'll use the form that card form. So दोनों को use करते. Now tell me, which of the format is correct? The first one, letter form, or this one?
The latter one.
Why? Why not this one? Why didn't we go for that family function in this form? Sorry, in that letter form.
I think he will not print that card first.
Pardon?
सर वो कार्ड थोड़ी ना प्रिंट करवाएंगे, कार्ड है तो. He might send letter.
He might send. I disagree with your things. Anything else?
No,
Anybody
sir.
else? Now, this was the type of question which was put up in the exam couple of years back, say 3 or 4 years back. This question was put up. Or this type of question was put up, only the name and things were different. The function was same. Now, assume that you attempted that paper. You went for the letter form, the earlier one. जैसे तुम बोले वो सही है. Agreed. चलो वो सही है. Now, it's an human instinct. नजर जाती है यहाँ वहाँ. Suppose if you just look into the peep into the copy of the other students and you just realize that 3 students have written in the form of this paragraph. What will be your mental status? Are they incorrect or you may be incorrect?
They are incorrect.
They are incorrect.
दिमाग वेस्ट मेंटल ह्यूमन मेंटालिटी की डिस्कस करो और इट कैन बी वाइस वर्सा. You have gone for this one. You have gone for this one. Mr. B.M. Shah thanks the principal. And आपकी नजर पड़ती है 2-3 जनों ने तो बॉक्स वो लेटर फॉर्म में लिखा है. तो your confusion will start. Yes or no?
Yes sir, confused तो होंगे.
और फिर जब कंफ्यूज हो गए तो स्टूडेंट ने क्या किया होगा? छोड़ो यार, कैंसिल करो इसको. I'll go with the question which is there in the option.
No sir, I would have not cut that.
Then
छोड़ो पेपर में कौन काटेगा, ये सोच के आगे चल
तो
जाते.
फिर लेकिन दूसरा भी कर देते.
No no,
Then
let it be.
let it be.
Yes sir.
जो होगा देखा जाएगा. जय माता दी, जय श्री राम. ऐसे
पेपर में
Yes,
शायद यही
sir.
थिंकिंग होती.
पेपर में ये थिंकिंग होती है. चलो, now I'll clear the doubts of everyone. Both are equally correct. Now, the students who attempted that letter form, the earlier one, this is a time when this was invitation was of 4 marks. Up to 3 marks का आएगा आपको. So the students scored 4 out of 4. And the students who went with this format, without the address and the salutation and so on, they ended up scoring 3.5. Now, why? In the norms for copy checking, it was specifically mentioned that half a mark for name, address, and salutation, and the other marks for the matter. अगर आप इस हिसाब से लिखोगे, is there any name, address, and salutation? है क्या इस फॉर्म में?
No, sir.
नहीं है. So ठीक है. As per the norms, the copy checkers, they abided with the norms given to them. Marking scheme जो उनको बताई गई थी copy checking के लिए, it was mentioned half a mark for date, time, date, salutation and so on. जब वो चीज गायब थी, so that person must have rightfully deducted the half a mark. And बाकी matter is correct. He must have given 3.5 marks to the student. Now, when you get this type of question, please go with this format. जब मैंने आपको बता दिया है, so please go with not with this type of answer, but go with this one. Go with the letter form. So if you're replying to the formal invitation, then go make it look formal letter जैसा, and let that word subject, sir, सब कुछ mention होना चाहिए. Is it clear all of you? समझ में आ गया? है ना? So don't get confused. जो पहले confusion हुआ था, हम अपना confusion हटा दिया मैंने आपका. Don't go for this one. Therefore, I made a solution here also, ताकि your doubts get cleared. Or this also is the correct solution, but then you may not end up scoring full marks. Now, the regret for this. Mr. Shah has been invited and he has to send the reply showing the regret. Again on the same ground, regret. Mayor House, Jodhpur, the principal. ये Brilliant Public School कहाँ से type हो गया? Printing mistake. Just hold on. Oh, the screen sharing has stopped. Please hold on. No?
क्या हुआ सर?
एक मिनट. क्या हुआ? किसको क्या हुआ? Some typo error was there, so I'm just correcting it. नहीं तभी कोई बोलेगा सर स्कूल का नाम कैसे बदल गया? Before that I only change the things. Sharma Public School, Jodhpur. Regret to attend as the chief guest. Thank you for inviting. Yes, whenever replying, always be thankful. This shows the formality. Thank you for inviting me for the school function as the chief guest. Later, I regret that I'll be unable to attend the occasion as the chief guest. Again, the same reason, due to prior engagement. So the formality, I wish the function to be a grand success. With regret, Mr. B.M. Shah, he is the mayor. Is it okay? And this is in a box, I think on the screen, सिर्फ 2 लाइन दिख रही होगी. It will be in a complete box. Okay, all of you? So clear with this? Invitations for family functions along with the reply and formal invitations for official functions along with the replies.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Okay. Now let's proceed. आगे चलते हैं. Your Tapan or Tapasya. You have successfully cleared the JEE Advanced Examination. You decided to host a party to celebrate your success. Draft an invitation to invite your friend, Parvinder. So now a grand function. So will it be taken as a formal invitation or an informal invitation?
informal.
Why?
Informal.
Why?
One person.
Sir, personal friend है.
Personal.
Because such occasions or events can also be celebrated in a grand way. हो सकता है इतने सालों में खानदान में शायद पहली बार किसने IIT क्लियर की है, ग्रैंड पार्टी कर सकते, तो it could have been a formal function also in the form of a card printing. But in this, you take a clue, invite your friend. So when it is individual invitation, it will be in the form of, it is an example of informal invitation. An informal invitation is very easy. It is in the form of an informal letter. And iska solution will there in front of you. Sender's address, 92 Basant Vihar, Kota. The date of sending the invitation, 12th June. किसको भेज रहे हो? Dear Parvinder. And straightway tell about the event, when it is, give the details, that is all. So it is a moment of great pleasure and pride for me to inform you that I have successfully cleared the JEE Advanced Examination. To celebrate this achievement, I have arranged a festive party for all my friends. On date लिख देना, from time लिख देना, venue लिख देना, at Hotel Chandiram, Kota. You are cordially invited to attend the same for the success. Leave a line. Your friend कर सकते हो. Your sincerely अगर ज़्यादा formal लगता है, you can just put up your friend and put up the name given to you, Tapasya. And this also will be in a box with a word limit of 50. Is it clear?
Yes.
The only difference between informal letter and informal invitation is in the informal letters, we have all the highs and hellos. Hi Parvinder, I hope, what's up? I hope everything is great. I hope you're flying in the ocean of, you're swimming in the ocean of good health and joy, and you're in the pink of health. All those things keep on coming in the letter. ये सब hi hellos इसके अंदर नहीं आएगा. only to the point. So this is Tapasya is inviting Parvinder for the success party, which I hope you also will celebrate very soon after your results of advanced will be announced. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, देखो कितना नो सर कौन बोला ये देखो कोई किसी लड़के somebody replies yes sir कितना खुशी मिली सुन के मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी हम मुझे बुलाओगे कि नहीं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं now I'll go for the reply. Your Parvinder, you have received an invitation from Tapasya to celebrate her success in the exam. Draft a reply informing your acceptance of the invitation. Simple one. पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना है महावीर नगर कोटा उसका एड्रेस है किसका तपस्या का एड्रेस है कि परविंदर का एड्रेस है हुज एड्रेस इट विल बी
Parvinder.
परविंदर्स एड्रेस
Parvinder.
replying on 17th dear Tapasya congratulations on this wonderful achievement thank you for inviting me to a festive party to celebrate this occasion I'll be glad to attend it and look forward to meeting everyone yours only your friend कैसे भी लिखना चाहो that is up to you Parvinder this is regarding the acceptance for this informal invitation
सर अगर परविंदर का सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ हो
तो काय के लिए इनवाइट करेगी अगर परविंदर का
दिखाने के लिए
तो दिखाने के लिए तो करने दो ना अभी हमको क्या पता कि कौन सही कर रहे हैं आपको तो पार्टी से मतलब है पार्टी एंजॉय करो ना गो एंड अटेंड द पार्टी खाना ना खा के बाद में उसकी बुराई कर देना बाद में क्या फर्क पड़ता है ठीक है ना तो इनविटेशन जा रहा है जाओ हमको क्या फर्क पड़ता है शादी का इनविटेशन आ रहा है तो घर में कार्ड दिखता है चलो मामा जब पापा जाए चलो मैं भी चलता हूँ बाद में पता चलता है कि किसकी शादी है क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है गो एंड अटेंड इट एंजॉय द फन विद अदर फ्रेंड्स ओके बट नॉट ड्यूरिंग दिस कोविड सिचुएशंस ऐसे में कोई बुलाए तो समझ लेना दोस्त नहीं दुश्मन है वो यस और नो परविंदर यू रिसीव इनविटेशन टू सेलिब्रेट द सक्सेस अगर आपको लगता है यस तो नाउ दिस रिप्लाई दिस इज अ रिप्लाई टू द वन हु हैड दिस डाउट तो मत जाना यू कैन सेंड अ रिग्रेट उसको खुश भी कर देना और जवाब भी दे देना congratulations on this wonderful achievement thank you for inviting me put up the matters I regret I won't be able to attend your party due to some prior engagement I hope you all have a great time I wish you all the success in life your friend Parvinder the matter gets completed again no commas no punctuation marks anywhere after dear Tapasya महावीर नगर के बाद कोई कॉमा नहीं कुछ नहीं स्ट्रेट वे रनिंग मैटर में
Sir, is this letter form mandatory? Can we go for the paragraph one?
then what other format you will use
Sir, वो paragraph one.
तो ये पैराग्राफ
पैराग्राफ फॉर्मेट
वो फॉर्मल हो जाता है
Oh, okay, sir.
दिस इज द डिफरेंस उसका नेम एड्रेस नहीं आएगा तो आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे नहीं जीरो कर देगा वो बिकॉज दैट इज फॉर्मल अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
ओके एनीथिंग एल्स
No, sir.
ओके चलो कुछ आगे चलते हैं एक और ले लेते हैं यू आर सेलिब्रेटिंग योर 25th वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी नाउ दिस आल्सो बिकम्स अ ग्रैंड ओकेजन कैन सच सेलिब्रेशंस बी अ फॉर्मल फंक्शन यस और नो 25th wedding anniversary or golden jubilee wedding anniversary या silver jubilee anniversary जो सेलिब्रेट करें कैन इट बी अ ग्रैंड फंक्शन हाँ या ना
Yes, sir.
yes
है ना बिकॉज आई थिंक 2 years back a question came को नाम आया था मिस्टर सैफ और सम नाउ आई फॉरगॉट द नेम दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग देयर ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स सॉरी देयर पेरेंट्स एनिवर्सरी सेंड एन इनविटेशन टू ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स तो उसके अंदर इट वाज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ कार्ड मिस्टर मजूमदार का सरनेम याद आया यस सम मजूमदार फैमिली का celebration function था regarding anniversary. In this, you are sending an invitation to your friend Ashraf. So it will be in the form of card or letter.
card
है ना? Suppose this sentence card. क्या बोल रहे हो यार? सिंगल इनवाइटी है, इनविटेशन टू योर
Sir,
फ्रेंड।
letter.
बेटा इसी में से ध्यान देना है आपको, बी वेरी अटेंटिव। 0 मिल जाएंगे पूरे क्वेश्चन में बेटा अगर आपने कार्ड बना दिया इसके अंदर। तो अगर क्वेश्चन में होता सेंड एन इनविटेशन टू योर ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स, देन कार्ड बनता, देन आई एग्री विथ योर आंसर। बट इनविटेशन टू योर फ्रेंड अशरफ, ये वही आएगा जैसे परविंदर वाला कार्ड था, ऐसे बनेगा ये। प्लीज कीप अ चेक। Sender's address, date of inviting, date of sending the invitation, invitee's name, guest का name. Kindly join us with family for dinner on 26 June at a residence. इसने घर पे रखा है. It's not necessary that you always keep at home. भले सिंगल इनवाइट करो आप, रखो कोई होटल के अंदर, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Whatever name of a restaurant or a hotel at a residence. Sonia and I are organizing a small get together on the occasion of her silver wedding anniversary. Only close friends and relatives are invited. Hope to see you soon. Yes, I'm just changing a few words. So you can use the words whichever you feel you like. With warm regards, अच्छा लगता है, Rajan Mohan. So please read this question very carefully. Don't land up at the receiver's end by making a blunder. है ना, ध्यान से देखना प्लीज। इसलिए मैंने तरीका बता दिया है। सिंगल नाम होगा तो लेटर फॉर्म में ही जाना है। जैसे चीफ गेस्ट को भी इनवाइट कर रहे हैं, सिंगल गेस्ट को, सिंगल पर्सन को इनवाइट कर रहे हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लेटर, बट दैट विल बिकम अ फॉर्मल वन, ये जाएगा इनफॉर्मल। ये चीज दिमाग में बैठा लो। ओके एवरीवन, नाउ एक्सेप्टेंस, द रिप्लाई टू दिस। तो अशरफ is now replying to Rajan. Heartiest congratulations on your 25th wedding anniversary. It will give us much pleasure to attend the dinner to celebrate this on Sunday 26th June at your residence. Thanks for remembering us. सिंपल जवाब दे दोगे। And now with the regret, same on the same words, same grounds. Warm regards and heartiest congratulations. However, we are sorry, we shall be unable to join you for dinner on 26th at your residence due to prior engagement. Be thankful, नहीं जा पाओगे, दुख है, पार्टी अटेंड नहीं कर पाओगे, but thank for the invitation. Thank you very much for the invitation. And now with regret, Ashraf. I hope the things are clear now. Formal, informal invitations along with the replies.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I just show you one or two. अब एक ये देख लो. Your Naresh Gupta of Pune. Draft a suitable invitation for the celebration of your son Anil's passing out of Air Force Academy. Now tell me, what type of invitation this will be? This is on the same ground वो परविंदर वाला था, जेई मेन एडवांस एग्जाम का सेलिब्रेशन, ये उसका समझो एयरफोर्स एकेडमी में सिलेक्शन हो गया। और व्हाट विल यू डू? कम ऑन क्विक, व्हाई टेकिंग सो लॉन्ग टू थिंक?
Card.
नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड द थिंग्स।
Yes, sir.
परविंदर वाला में एंड दिस वन, तो ऐसा फंक्शन भी यू कैन मेक इट अ ग्रैंड सक्सेस। यस, यू कैन मेक इट अ ग्रैंड फंक्शन एंड दिस इज अ रियलिस्टिक कार्ड। यस, खाली मैंने नाम एड्रेस थोड़ा चेंज कर दिए, एक रियल कार्ड था उसमें से बनाया। नाउ देखो, मिसेज एंड मिस्टर नरेश चंद्र गुप्ता, सीक योर ब्लेसिंग्स, नॉट सीक्स, है ना, एक और नया शब्द आ गया उसके अंदर। फॉर द ग्रैंड सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ द सक्सेस ऑफ their son Anil in Air Force Academy on 24th June from 7:30 PM at Wheelers Club Limited। वेन्यू लिख दिया, इसके अंदर लाइन ड्रॉ की है। Don't ask me, sir, line we have to draw or not draw. This is a realistic card. I could not remove the line from this. So, exam point of view, don't do this. RSVP and compliments are written in boxes. In exam point of view, don't do all these things. तो कभी कुछ ज्यादा दिखाना हानिकारक हो जाता है to students. So, making the things very clear. Don't try to make it in the form of attractive posters. जब real invitation बनाओ, then let it be attractive. In this, you'll just see Air Force Academy, the color has changed. Exam में please don't you keep on changing the colors for different things. कि सर आपने किया था तो हमने भी we are also following you. See the understand the thing why reason why I'm trying to show you. Such celebrations can also be formal or informal. So read the question very carefully, analyze and then start writing. Is it okay now everyone? So the IIT वाला celebration था परविंदर वाला, this could also have come in this format. If inviting all friends, then the solution would have been in this form. Okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Your student, some real cards, पढ़े थे, we still have 2-3 minutes, just show you a couple of cards. Your student leader of Apex Public School, Bengaluru, draft an invitation for this function to be held in the school. Now these are some real cards, है ना? So आप प्लीज ऐसे ड्राइंग के हिसाब से नहीं बता रहा हूँ, जस्ट टू सी द मैटर कि देखो रियल में भी कार्ड इस टाइप के छपते हैं, बट दे मेक इट डेकोरेटिव. एग्जाम में डोंट ट्राई टू मेक इट डेकोरेटिव. The principal, staff and students of Apex Public School, Bengaluru take great pleasure in inviting you. See, this is the way you can change. Solicit of gracious presence था, इसके अंदर था opening has changed. Take a great pleasure in inviting you to a musical evening or to the school's annual function. जैसे अपना अगर वाला तुमको change करना है, to the school's annual function at time on date. RSVP and the programs have been highlighted over here. So there are some realistic cards to show you. ये महेंद्र सिंह धोनी नहीं है. He's sending daughter for his invitation for the daughter's marriage. Yes, missing Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Seek your blessings on the auspicious occasions of the marriage of their daughter Shraddha with Ritesh. किनका बेटा वो लिख दिया है on Friday. Now in this program has been highlighted. Program, reception, dinner, wedding ceremony, डोली. Yes, डोली के बाद एक और चीज आती है भीगी पलकें, विदाई समारोह and all those things. Don't write. If you put it up in the exam, I won't say it is incorrect. But the more you write, there are chances that more mistakes you can make. So make the things look very simple. लगने दो क्या चलो हमारे simple marriage कर रहे हैं, हम नए functions कर रहे हैं. RSVP and best wishes all friends and relatives. Is it okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So
Yes.
this is something about the topic invitations, formal as well as informal, along with the replies.
सर वो जो लास्ट कार्ड था उसमें जो प्रोग्राम लिखा था वहाँ पर MME आता है या फिर सिर्फ M आता है?
क्या होता है बेटा?
सर वो जो लास्ट कार्ड था जो आपने अभी दिखाया सर उसमें प्रोग्राम में MME आएगा या फिर सिर्फ M आएगा?
Actually it should be MME.
अच्छा ये सर डिफरेंस क्या होता है?
कुछ नहीं डिफरेंस, कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है, बोथ आर सेम.
अच्छा
है ना? हाँ. Suppose जैसे ना a program has been held at my house, then mostly we go GRAM. But if you want to give the program details, then that double ME comes. This is the way it is used. So if you use either of it, it is correct.
अच्छा
Okay, Kushagra, है ना? है ना? Okay. So with this we are through with all the topics where short compositions are concerned. Tomorrow we'll start with letter writing. Long composition start करते हैं. And मैं पहले भी पढ़ा चुका हूँ काफी बच्चों को, सालों से पढ़ा रहा हूँ. And those who have attended earlier, you can skip the class. ना बोलोगे तो भी मैं पढ़ाऊंगा. I will teach the students who want to learn. Yes.
पढ़ाइए सर पढ़ाइए.
है ना? नहीं वो समझ गया मैं किसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ, समझने वाला सब समझदार है. वो है अभी क्लास में कि गायब हो गया? देखता हूँ।
सर है अभी।
Still there, okay, है ना? So I'll continue with, और I'll start with letter writing, जिसको अटेंड करना है. Be ready by 8:30. So have a great day. Yes, happy Ram Navami. Jai Shri Ram to all of you again.
जय श्री राम सर।
Okay, Jai Shri Ram बेटा, Jai Shri Ram. चलो, thank you all of you, है ना?
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your other classes, and see you hale and hearty tomorrow. Bye bye, all of you.
Thank you.